Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Now we will discuss about constants and variables. So dear children, kindly open your book, page number 244. Constants and variables. So what is variables? The value of literals may change from one situation to another. The literal numbers are referred to as variables. Okay. Then what is constant? The numbers in arithmetic always represent the same quantity irrespective of the changing situations. So the numbers used in arithmetic are called constants. For example, constants are represented by the numbers such as 0, 1, 2, 3 and variables by the English alphabet such as P, Q, R, X, Y, Z, etc. Okay. Let's see example 9. Identify the variables and constants from the following. Very easy. Variables are A, B and constants is 2. Then here half is constant and BH is variables. Variables means not fixed. Values are not fixed, but constants values are fixed. Then comes to algebra. In arithmetic, when we move from a particular situation to a general result, we obtain a formula. A formula is written with the help of literals, constants and 4 basic operations. Okay, what are the operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Using literals in generalized results of arithmetic is nothing but algebra. Okay, so in algebra we use these variables and constants. Then algebraic expressions. Expressions involving constants and variables combined by arithmetical operations are called algebraic expressions. For example, here 7p plus 2q minus 10r. Then p minus q, 10x minus p plus y, etc. are examples of algebraic expressions. Then algebraic term. Parts of expressions separated by a plus or a minus sign. So these plus and minus sign are called the terms of the expression. The terms of the expression 7xy minus 7y plus 3z are 7xy minus 7y 3z are one term. Okay, 7xy one term minus 7y one term, then 3z another one term. The terms of the expression 3 by 2 pq minus r plus 1 by 2 rq minus 3 are 3 by 2 pq one terms. Okay, minus r another one term, then half rp another one term, then minus 3 another term. These are one term. Let's see example 10. List the various terms of the expression. So here children, 3x square one term, minus 4y one term, 1 by 3 one term. Example 13. Write down the algebraic expression whose terms are. Here terms are given. We have to write expression. 5a minus 3b minus 6ab plus 8. Okay. Here no signs are there, so we have to write here plus 8. Then comes to 4 fundamental operations in algebra. First one is addition. Sum of literals x and y can be written as x plus y or y plus x. Then sum of literal x and a number 10 can be written as any number you can take, x plus 10 or 10 plus x. Then in case of subtraction, literals if x and y, we write x minus y. If one literal and number is given, then we write x minus 10. Then multiplication. 5 times z can be written as 5 multiply z or 5z. The product of literals x and y can be written as xy or x multiply y. Here note that no sign between the two variables or literals indicate that they are connected by multiplication operation. Here you see 5z, xy, no symbol is there. So in this case, we have to remember that here multiplication is there. Then division. Quotient of literals x and y can be written as x by y, and quotient of x and 10 is written by x by 10. Then quotient of 10 and x is written by 10 by x. Then comes to number. X multiply x is written as x square, called x squared. Okay. Then triple x is written as x cube. Here written x cubed. Here if multiply 4x is written as x4, called as x raised to the power of 4. Okay. Then similarly, x raised to the power of 8 is x8. So x8 equal to multiplication of 8x. So x square y equal to double x multiply y. X cube y5 equal to triple x multiply 5y. Clear? Then comes to example 12. Write the following in exponential form. Here a bit minus 15 multiply a, double a, then triple b, then triple c. Exponential form means we write like this: minus 15 a square, then b cube, then c cube. Here children you see no symbol is given because here multiplication is there. Like this, b bit you see 56 multiply x 7 times here written, and y 20 times. So here you write like this: 56x to the power 7 and y to the power 20 and multiply z. Then c bit minus 3, count how many x's are there? 3x. So minus 3x cube y z to the power 9. Clear? Example 12. Then comes to example 13. Write the following in product. Expanded form. Just opposite of example 12. Here exponential form is given. We have to write expanded form. Okay. 13 multiply 3x, then y 4 times, then z 5 times. Then a, b cube, c square. A multiply triple b multiply double c. Okay, clear? Then types of algebraic expressions. Expressions are classified on the basis of number of terms they have. So name of the expression, number of terms and examples. Where one terms is given, name is monomial. For example, 5x minus 7 by 2x square. So here children, you see one terms are there. Then binomial means two terms are there. 5x minus 3y. Here 5x square minus 7 by 12x. So here you see each case two terms are there. Here trinomial means three terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then quadrinomial means four terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then polynomial means one or more terms. Here one terms are there. Here two terms. Here three terms. So like this we name the expressions. Then factors. When numbers and literals are multiplied with each other, then each of them is called a factor of the other. Here you see a constant factor is called a numerical factor and a literal factor is called a literal factor. So here 5 is a numerical factor and x by or y by x, they are known as here x, y, 1 numerical factor. In minus 10xy cube, minus 10 is a numerical factor and x and y cube are the literal factors. In xyz, the numerical factor is 1 and xyz are literal factor. Okay. In minus 10 by 3x cube, the numerical factor is minus 10 by 3 and x cube is the literal factor. Then coefficients. Any factor of a product expressed in numbers and literals along with the sign of the product is called the coefficient of the product of other factors. For example, in minus 10x, the coefficient of x is minus 10. In minus 10xy, the coefficient of x is minus 10y. And the coefficient of y is minus 10x. In minus 10x square y, the coefficient of y is minus 10x square and the coefficient of x square is minus 10y. And the coefficient of x is minus 10xy. Clear? Then in x, the coefficient of x is 1 and minus x, the coefficient of x is minus 1. Clear about coefficients? Then children, you remember a numerical coefficient in an algebraic term is constant and a literal coefficient is variable. Then constant terms. Constant terms are those terms of an expression which do not have any literal factors in the expression. 9x plus 5, the constant term is 5. In minus 7x square plus 2x minus 15 by 2, the constant term is minus 15 by 2. As these are the terms which do not have any literal factor. So, whose terms has not any literal factor are known as constant terms. Then like and unlike terms. The terms having same literal factors are called like terms and the terms having different literal factors are called unlike terms. For example, 3x square, 10x square and 15x square are like terms. Then 10x square y, 10x square y, xy square, 15x square y square are unlike terms because here x square y is given, here xy square is given and here x square y square is given. Then 9y square x, xy square, 15xy square minus 7xy square are like terms because here you see everywhere 1x and y square is given. Then comes to example 14. Write the coefficient of x square in 7x square yz. So here coefficient is 7yz. Then to beat xy in 10 minus 10 xyz. Xy means here minus 10 and z is there. So the coefficient is minus 10 yz. Like this you see example 14. Then example 15. Write the numerical coefficient of each the following. Numerical coefficient is here 6, here minus 3, here minus 4. Then example 16. Identify the like terms in the following expression. Here like terms are, you see, x square y here, then minus 20 x square y, same, then 15 by 2 y x square. This y x square and xy square are same, okay. Then example 17. In the following expressions, identify the terms of the expression and mention whether the given expression is a monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial. So here children we have to mark the terms. Here children 1 and 2. Two terms are there, so binomial. Here 1, 2, 3. Three terms are there, so trinomial. Then here only one term is given, so mononomial. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is known as polynomial. One and more are there. Then finding the value of expression. Replacing the values of literals in an expression by a numerical value and evaluating the expression, we obtain the value of an expression. Example 18. If x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 and z equal to 3, find the value of. Here we put the value in place of literal value. X square means 1 square, y square means 2 square and 2xyz. X means 1, y means 2, z means 3. So we find the value. Then example 19. Write the following using literals, numbers and signs of basic operations. Sum of x and y. Sum means addition. So x plus y. Then 2 bit 2 more than a number x. X plus 2. 3 bit 7 times x means 7x subtracted from 4 times y. So 4 times y means 4y. So 4y minus 7x. 4 bit quotient of x by y multiplied by 20. Quotient of x by y is x by y and quotient of x by y multiplied by 20 is just we multiply these two. So 20x by y. Then comes to example 20. Write the following in algebraic form. Amitabh secured 40 marks more than Rita. If Rita secured X marks, then write the marks secured by Amitabh. Very easy. X plus 40. Then comes to example 21. Translate the following as an algebraic expression. Kamal is 5 times heavier than his friend Harishan. Suppose Harishan's weight is x kg, then Kamal's weight is 5x kg. Then example 22. Write the algebraic expression for the following. A number added to itself and subtracted from 28. Assume x to be the number. Suppose the number is x. Then number added to itself gives x plus x equal to 2x. Then 2x to be subtracted from 28. So 28 minus 2x. Then B bit 3 times the product of x and y added to square of x. So square of x is x square and product of x and y is xy. So 3 times of the product is 3xy. Then by the given condition the expression is 3xy plus x square. Okay. Then C bit 7 times the cube of x subtracted from the product of x and y. Cube of x is, children, 3x cube. Then 7 times the cube of x is 7 multiply x cube. By the given condition, the expression is xy minus 7x cube. Then D bit. If x represents the cost of a book and y the cost of a pen, then find the total cost of 5 books and 6 pens. So cost of one book is given x. Then cost of 5 books is 5x. Then cost of one pen is given y. So cost of 6 pens is 6y. Total cost 5x plus 6y. So children, this is very important chapter. So you follow all the examples properly and read properly. So next video we will discuss about exercise 11.2. Before that you properly practiced all the examples. Thank you.